My dog Fluffy was diagnosed with a heart murmur at age 13. I remember sitting in the vet's office feeling completely helpless and not knowing what to ask. If your dog has just been diagnosed with a heart murmur, or if you want to understand what it even means, this video is for you. A heart murmur is an abnormal sound a vet hears when listening to your dog's heart. Instead of a clean lub-dub, the heart makes a whooshing or swishing sound between beats. This sound is caused by turbulent blood flow, blood not moving through the heart chambers as smoothly as it should. Heart murmurs are graded from 1 to 6. Grade 1 is barely audible, only detectable with a stethoscope in a completely quiet room. Grade 6 is severe and audible without any equipment at all. Most dogs are diagnosed somewhere between grades 2 and 4. The grade tells your vet how significant the turbulence is, but it does not always predict how quickly the condition will progress. The most common cause in small dogs like miniature schnauzers and Cavalier King Charles Spaniels is called mitral valve disease. The mitral valve gradually thickens and becomes leaky over time, causing blood to flow backwards into the wrong chamber. This is especially common in small breeds after age 7. This is a degenerative condition. It progresses slowly over months and years. It is not caused by anything you did wrong. It is not caused by the food you fed or the exercise your dog had. It is a natural part of aging in small dog breeds. Understanding this is important because many owners feel guilty when they hear the diagnosis. Early-stage heart murmurs often have no symptoms at all. Your vet may detect it during a routine annual checkup long before you notice any changes at home. This is one of the strongest reasons to never skip your dog's yearly visit, especially after age 7. As the condition progresses, watch for these signs. First, coughing, especially at night or after light exercise. This happens because fluid begins to build up around the lungs, and the pressure changes when your dog lies down. Second, faster breathing at rest. More than 30 breaths per minute while your dog is sleeping or completely relaxed is a warning sign. Third, reduced exercise tolerance. Your dog gets noticeably tired much faster than they used to. Fourth, a swollen or pot-bellied appearance caused by fluid retention in the abdomen. But sometimes the sign is something you have never seen before, and it stops you cold. That is what happened with my dog Fluffy. One evening, not long after her dinner, Fluffy walked towards me just like she always did. Then suddenly she sat herself down, lay down on her side, and stayed there. She did not move for almost 30 minutes. I was terrified. We rushed her straight to the vet that night, and that was when we discovered she had a grade 3 heart murmur. What had happened was that her body was struggling with the disruption in blood flow, and in her own way, she had simply stopped and let herself recover. She was regulating herself. I remember the vet explaining it to me and thinking, dogs are truly remarkable. They fight so quietly and so hard. If your dog ever does something out of character that worries you, trust that instinct. Do not wait until morning. Go. The good news is that many dogs live happily for years after a heart murmur diagnosis. Management depends on the grade and stage. Early-stage murmurs may only need monitoring through regular ECGs and chest X-rays every 6 to 12 months. Once the murmur progresses to a more advanced stage, medications like vetmedin or enalapril may be prescribed to reduce the workload on the heart and prevent fluid accumulation. These medications genuinely extend and improve your dog's quality of life. Do not skip them once prescribed. In terms of lifestyle, keep your dog at a healthy weight. Obesity makes every heart condition significantly worse. Gentle daily walks are fine and actually beneficial. Avoid strenuous exercise or activities that cause heavy panting. Keep stress levels low. Calm environments are important for dogs with cardiac conditions. When Fluffy was 13, she was diagnosed with heart murmurs. She has been on heart medication for over a year at that time. She was still playful, still eating well, and still demanding her breakfast at exactly 7 every morning. A diagnosis is not a death sentence. It is information. Information that helps you make better decisions and give your dog the best possible life for the time they have. If your dog has a heart murmur and you want vet support in Singapore, I personally recommend Brighton Vet. Their link is in the description. Subscribe to Fluffy and Koko for more senior dog content, and leave a comment if you have a dog with a heart murmur. I want to hear your story.